Hey, what's going on YouTube? What's going on people? What's going on to my supporters, those who watch my video? I got a quick little video for y'all right now. Let me take this off the screen real quick. Got a quick little video for y'all right now. Just want to talk to y'all out there right now. Now with everything else going on out here, it's kind of crazy. It's weird, but it is what it is. You know, for those out there that can get a concealed license to carry, get it. Don't never feel ashamed of you going out there getting your license, you know, and people saying, well, if you can get a concealed license, you ain't really never done nothing, done this, done that. Damn all that bullshit. You know, if you ain't never been convicted, if you ain't never been locked up, or if you had anything expunged and you was able to move and get a carry concealed permit to get a gun, that's the great thing you could ever do for yourself. But don't ever feel embarrassed for anybody. You know, right now, you see the right side of my face. I'm gonna go off something real quick, but I had surgery yesterday. I had a gun line cut. I couldn't talk for nothing. I'm trying to talk today, but I might sound a little muffled right now. But like I said, if you can get it, go ahead and get it. To protect you, your family, your surroundings, your home, get it. You know. Now, what I'm about to show y'all is what I got a couple months ago. It took me about 3 months to get it. What is it? It's a small high capacity handgun. It's a 9mm Glock made by Springfield Armory, and it's called a Hellcat. Now, when I went and picked it up, like I said, it took me some time to get it. So when I went and got it, it came in a box like this. You see that right there? That's what it came in, right there. This is called the Hellcat, made by Springfield Armory. So what I'm about to show y'all is this. It's a quick little video. Now let me put this down here real quick. I ain't got no high-tech camera system over here, so let me show you how this works. Now this right here is made by Springfield Armory. It's called a Hellcat. Alright? So, here you go. Put this on the bottom. Now, when I ordered mine came in this pouch right here. It came with, see right there? The Hellcat. It came in this little envelope telling me everything that's about it, you know. Came this little envelope right here. Came with everything. And it also came with this little target range. I guess they already fired the gun before I even got it. It probably did all this over there, but you see that? Came with this. You know my pretty much paperwork here. Came with this little pamphlet right here. See that? Hellcat. Little booklet, pretty much breaks everything down for you. You know, my little paperwork and everything. You know, all of this ATF stuff, the good stuff. You know, it came with all of that. You know. Basically, this is what it looked like. Like I had it out before, but for a demonstration, I'm gonna show y'all. Now, like I said, you got people out there who do videos about this, and they do gun videos. They pretty much get theirs for free. Like I done seen videos where this came in a gun safe, coming out of a big box. Mine ain't come like that, 'cause like I said, I had to pay for this. All right. So, that's what it came with. It came with this right here. See how small it is? See? That's how small it is. See that? Can't just like that. And also, I'm gonna stand to the side real quick. So I'm gonna show y'all something, because you never want to point a loaded gun or unloaded gun at you. You must treat an unloaded gun without a clip in it, a mag in it, like it's loaded. You always have to treat this gun like it's loaded, because this is a big responsibility. This shit ain't no toy, this ain't no game. This is a major responsibility. But I want to show you something about this. Now, if you can see, it lines up. See that right there? That U lines up with that green dot. I don't know if y'all can see it. You can see it right there. There's a green dot right there. Then step to the side. It lines up with that. So when you at a range and you firing, you look from here all the way down here. It's going to light up for you. That lights up in the dark. You can see it right there. All right? That lights up. Now it also comes with, this is the first gun. It's another one 365, but it's another one like this. But it's not a Hellcat though. It comes with one mag, 13. It holds 13 in the mag. So you can actually put one in the chamber and put another one and have 14 in here. Right? Comes with another one. This one right here comes with 11. This is the smallest gun so far that got one more than the next. So it comes with two mags, one hold 11, one in here, and one hold 13, right? And it comes with an extra little clip for your pinky. So if you want a little extra space for your pinky, you can get that off. You can put it on the back of this, right here. So to give you more little leverage, you can knock that off and then put that on. Knock this off right here and put on. So you can have like an extended clip. Because see, this one with the 13 is longer than the one with the 11. You see right there? See right there? That's for the extended clip, so your pinky can hit that. Very high capacity gun. Now, I'm gonna show you how to break it down. Real simple how to break this down. It's simple. I done already cleaned the grease already, but I'm gonna show you how to break it down, right? You take it, like I said, always keep a gun pointed away from you. I don't give a fuck if it ain't loaded. You treat it like it's loaded. Now, to break it down, pull it back, put that up, bam, that's it, right? You see that, right? You see that, right? There's a little level here on the side. There's a level here. So what you gotta do, try to like force it up, play with it though. Once you get that up, that's it. Then bring it back, click that, hold up. Alright, you get the level up. Bring it back, click, slide, boom, it comes off. It's simple, right? Now all you gotta do now, I greased it up earlier. If you can look right here, it's kind of shiny up in there. I already greased all that up with this right here. This is my gun grease. Try to get you one of these. If you at a gun shop or Walmart, whatever, try to get you one of these gun oil. There's some really slick stuff here. And pretty much you take the spring out, like so, lay it down, take this out, like so. See, it's already shiny because I already greased it. I'll show y'all. See right here? I done already greased that up. See how wet that look? Then all you gotta do really, your grease gun here, this is some really slick stuff. You ain't gotta put that much on there. I think I overdid it, but you just put a little bit here. Try to put a little bit here, a little bit here, a little bit here. That's it. 1, 2, 3. Easy to disassemble, easy to carry around. Right, I'm gonna show you. I really don't wanna, gotta be careful how I'm showing you this because I don't wanna show no serial numbers, no part numbers. I ain't trying to get all into that. But here you go. Yeah, that's my turntable right there, but it's pretty much it right there. You know, it's pretty much it. Then you wanna put it back together, put that there. Real simple. Grab this. Like I said, I'm gonna show y'all again now. It's off. Now, if y'all can see that right there, there's a green dot there. It's right on there. It's right there. It's like illuminated. Alright, so it's simple. All you gotta do really, like I said, after you grease it up, I don't put too much grease, I'm gonna carry away with that shit. Just put this in here like so. Drop that in. You see? Once you drop that in, take your spring, put your spring here, drop the spring in there. Alright? Grab this, slide it right across here, like so. That's it. Slide across. You gotta take that down real quick. God. Sometimes to get a little catchy with that. There you go. That's it. Then, like I said, whatever you choose. If you want to run with the 13, you can run with the 13. If you want to run with the 11, where the 13 could just be all target round, or your 11 could be all target round. All right, put that up in there, like so. All right, now I'm gonna show you something too. That's loaded. The great thing about this, you want to check every time. You look down the middle right here, you'll see one in the chamber. It's a hole there. Right where that hole at is one in the chamber, so it's loaded. All right. So always try to keep around with me loaded. So it's already loaded, hot, whatever you want to call it. All right. So that's pretty much about it. Like I said, small, compact. The name of it's called a hellcat. If you can't, try to get you one through Springfield Armory. Great gun to have, great concealed weapon to have. You know, at the same time, you want to get you something like this. I had a leather one, but I didn't like it because every time I grab it, it slid. Now you see right here, I should have cleaned that, but try to keep it clean, keep the dust off of it. And this fit right beside of your waist pretty damn good. I mean, it don't even hurt. With all of this, it don't even hurt. All you really gotta do is stick that in there. See? And it won't come out. That's it. You know, if you like this video, share, subscribe. I got a couple more videos like this to bring. You know, this is the only one I have, but this the one that I do carry. But I do have a couple more, you know, go to the gun range, do my thing, you know, pass time, whatever. But if you can, try to get you one of these. Like I said, it fits in your hand like that. Very concealed, compact, high capacity, 9mm handgun, made by Springfield Armory, calls the Hellcat. And it does bring hell like a Hellcat. It ain't the Hellcat like the car, but it's the only Hellcat gun that's out there. So don't get it messed up. All right. So if you, like I said, if you like this video, subscribe, share. I got more videos like this to come. You know, different content. So for those who out there that support me, ride with me, and try to help me build this channel, let's make it happen, man. All right. Talk to y'all later. Take care of yourself. You know, please. Ain't no sucking and shit, but just please. Be careful, be mindful, and take care of yourself out there in the streets. You know. I support everything that's going on right now. But my opinion, the looting, the stealing, I don't support that shit. You know, I don't support it, man. You gonna loot. I just don't support, you know, just, it's deeper than deep. It's deep rooted in us to act a certain way. I can go deep into history because I love history, but I'm not going to even play that right now. But it's just that, just be careful, man. Be careful. Because you could be out there looting and get hurt. You could fall and break your fucking neck. You running through, busting through windows. A window could fall and cut you in half. I just seen some shit just now where some looters was trying to run up on a FedEx truck. Now, I'm a truck driver. Truck drivers, we already know. If I'm driving a truck and you run up on my motherfucking truck, it's my job to protect me. Damn the load, it's me. I'm going to keep it moving on you. I done witnessed, just watching on live, how the FedEx driver pulling a set of doubles. If those don't know what that is, it's two trailers pulled by a dolly in the middle. I did that for years. I did 7.5 years pulling doubles. He pulling doubles. I heard somebody scream, somebody point a gun at the window. To avoid for him getting shot, he pulled off. And he was dragging a protester under the dolly wheels, dragging them through the middle. Be careful, be mindful, because you can get hurt out there and you can die. I see the police still doing wild shit out there. All I'm saying, man, just protect yourself, man. If you're going to be out there, be out there. Protect yourself. You know, because you can end up getting hurt out there. Seriously hurt. Just doing bullshit, man. Yeah, I can see a protest, but I just can't support the stealing. I can't support the stealing, man. I can't even sit up here and say that's a good thing. Nah, because when you're stealing from yourself. That, I can't support the stealing. I can't, man. That's just my opinion, you know. Y'all might feel something different. Y'all can say, well, that's what they did when in the 40s and the 50s and the 30s, they ran up in our house, burned down our house, took our kids and this and that. Yeah, but all, you know, the stealing, man, I just can't see that, man. I can't see that. I seen one white kid running out the store with a box of Legos. Like, you serious? A box of Legos, bro? See one dude running with a big TV, whatever. Don't make no sense, man. But like I said, take care of yourself. Be mindful. You know, when it's all said and done, get home to your family and, you know, survive out there. Because we all surviving. Especially just as black people alone. It's hard. But it is what it is. I don't want to get in depth with this shit. That's a whole nother video. But like I said, if you like the video, subscribe, share. You know, let's turn up on it. You know, be safe out here. Peace. Talk to y'all later.